Oh my gosh! Hello lovelies! Coming at you today looking real casual and with no voice whatsoever apparently. But yeah, I'm just barely sort of dressed really because today I wanted to share a really short little crafty video with you. I can't imagine this video is going to be very long at all, but I wanted to get into the habit of recording more of my craft projects, even if it just is something small. And basically I've always wanted like a nice picnic basket. I still want a bigger proper one that has like all the plates and stuff. Basically I've always wanted a nice picnic basket, but all the ones I like are really expensive, which you guys know I am not down for. I am cheap. But I've never needed one really because I had no one to go on picnics with. But I have recently sort of, it's people I already knew about, like we've kind of like formed a new little friend group basically, and I finally have people who want to go on a graveyard picnic with me. Like, can we get a round of applause? I finally have friends who are weird and spooky enough to do that kind of thing with me. I am excited. I'm so excited. And next weekend, I don't know when I'm uploading this video, but next weekend from when I'm recording this, we are going to have a graveyard picnic. So I was like, oh my god, now I actually need a cute spooky picnic basket because I am that level of extra and we can't have like a normal picnic basket or just put the food in a bag. No, I need a cute spooky aesthetic picnic basket. So that's what we're going to make today. I was having a look online, everything was too expensive, but I already had like a little basket here. Roll the footage. I had this little basket here that I got ages ago. I can't remember why I got it, but I did, and it's like, you know, it's really cute. It's like cute and like, you know, it makes me think of someone who like lives in a cottage in the woods and stuff, and I do like the normal colored one. But I have more use for a spooky one, so if I ever need like the sort of normal wicker one again, I can get another one because I think this was very cheap, like I said, I got on eBay. But I want a spooky one for this, so that's what we're going to do today. It's been sitting in my bedroom like on the shelf and it has been throwing off the aesthetic of the room, I have to say. Like, I do think it's cute with like the natural colors, but for what we're doing, I want something a little darker. So, we have basket. Now we need to go get other materials. Oh my god, the only pack. Yes! Okay, I already had sandpaper up here for some reason that I've had for ages. We got black spray paint, we got black fabric dye. I do have like spray gray, like primer spray paint up here, but I can't figure out what I've done with it. It seems like something that when I was tidying up I would have put it somewhere sensible, but I just cannot figure out because it's like a whole box of cans and I just don't know what I've done with them, so might just have to go in without a primer. I don't know how well this is going to work on wicker, and I don't know how well I'm going to be able to sand it, but this is just an experiment. This is not a how-to. This isn't me telling you to do this. This is me figuring things out, so if it doesn't work, oh well, but let's try. Crap. This is the one that's supposed to go in the washing machine, and there's like way too much of it for tiny scrap of fabric. It says to always use the like full pack and only use it in the washing machine. Do I ever follow these rules? Not really. Are we just going to like randomly throw some in some hot water and see what happens? Yes, let's try that. Okay, I sanded this as much as I could. It didn't work really well. I mean, the whole thing's full of little holes and stuff, so I did what I could, but we're just gonna spray it and see what happens. Why do I hear yelling? Hello? Hello? Oh, there you are! Hi! It's my little friend! What are you doing up there? Hey! Hi! Why do you yell? Why are you yelling? Hey! This is why I call her yelling cat friend. Because she yell. Well, I can't really do much spray painting if you're around, can I? Can't get it in the nice fluffy fur. You're so cute. Yeah, that's what I'm working on today. That's what I'm working on today. What am I gonna do? Oh, well, there goes my plans. Huh? Yeah. I don't actually know where she lives, but she's outside a lot, so I actually went and, like, don't know if you can see, like, put a little bed in here in case she's ever, like, stuck out when it's rainy or anything, so she has somewhere, like, cozy to sleep even if it's bad weather, so she's my little pal. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Okay, it's not perfect, but I think it's good enough really for what we're going for. and it took the entire can of spray paint, so this is as good as we can do anyway. Okay, so after dyeing, washing and drying it, it only ended up going grey, but I actually kind of like that, and the lace went a slightly darker grey, which is even better. So yeah, I actually kind of like that it went grey, because then it'll be contrast against the black, so I'm hoping this will actually look pretty cute whenever I put it on. I left the basket outside just to sort of air out a bit, so hopefully it's less fumey now, and we can try putting this on. Yay! Okay, so then I think the last thing is, got some of this spiderweb fabric. And I'm not going to do anything super fancy with it, because as much as I want to do a ton to this basket, I think I'm just going to leave it simple. But I'm just going to really roughly cut off like a couple of like straggly ribbons, I guess. Ta-da! I think this turned out pretty well, all things considered. Ha! And we're done! So this is the final product. I really like how this turned out. I wish I could do like more to it. I feel like I didn't do a whole lot really, but it did turn out cute. It's still very fumey, oh my goodness. The only thing I maybe would have done extra, but I decided to just leave it because it's fine the way it is maybe add some extra black lace around here, especially because the only part of this that didn't dye at all was the thread that stitches the lace onto like the canvas stuff. So it's still white, but it's not super obvious or anything, so it's okay. Yeah, the whole dye thing, like considering I just really haphazardly did it completely wrong and not at all to the instructions, it worked out pretty well, and I'm actually really glad it didn't go like jet black, because now I think like that adds like a nice contrast to the black, and I almost wanted, whenever I was originally planning this and I knew I had grey spray paint somewhere, I was almost thinking of dyeing this like jet black, and then I was like, should I, you know, paint the basket black or should I leave it grey for contrast? And I've kind of ended up with the opposite, and I just sort of really love it. And then I just like adding these little sort of like spider web ribbons to everything. Like I stick them in my hair, I tie them around my neck. I just like having that fabric around for things like that. So yeah, I think that turned out really cute. Like I said, I wish I could do more to it, just because I feel like I haven't done a lot really other than spray painting the crap out of this. But I feel like I can't really start doing much more to it without just like gluing random crap to it and making it ugly. So this will do, but I think it's really, really cute. It won't fit like a lot of food, but I'll put what I can in here. I want to make coffin-shaped cookies for the for the picnic. I need an outlet for this, okay? And everyone's just gonna have to deal with me being overly enthusiastic about this stuff. But yeah, I want to make like coffin-shaped cookies, so at the very least they can go in the pretty basket. Ready for that. I'm going to try to remember to vlog it. I need to get a new selfie stick because I broke mine. You might not know why yet. There's a vlog, if I haven't put it up yet, there's a vlog coming out that shows how I broke my selfie stick. Well, explains it anyway. That'll be in a while, but yeah, I need a new selfie stick because I'm always put off vlogging if I have to hold it by hand because like it's too awkward. But I am going to try to vlog it, so that should be fun. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick little craft with me. I had a lot of fun making this. It was actually very fast. I did this all today. Like I went out, found the stuff, did the thing, got it all done pretty quickly, so I am happy. As I say, I like that this turned out grey. I think it just really sort of fits the whole look quite well, so I am pleased. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and if it's something you'd like to see more of in the future. I had a lot of fun with it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because I always appreciate that. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. We would love to have you as part of the family. And finally, if you could consider checking out my Patreon, that would be super awesome. The link will be in the description. Patreon is a really awesome website that lets you tip your favorite creators for the content they create. Kind of like if you were watching someone out playing music, you might throw some coins in their little case. It's like that, but on the internet. So feel free to check that out, link in the description. Very, very helpful. Helps me pay my bills, and it will help me if I'm going to be doing any future craft projects for this channel, hopefully, so that would be awesome. We will see how things go. But yes, I will see you in the next video. Bye!